Vision means a dream. This is vision is a dream. I will tell the meanings of the word. Vision means dream. Mission means action. Mission and vision are not the one and the same. Mission means goal. For that goal, when you are into action, is called as mission. When you are into the action, you need to have a plan. The plan is strategy. And when you have a strategy, then only you will get the success. So for that, today I am going to give you the strategy, day wise. Like this, you make a timetable. So UPSC didn't release 2025 calendar. UPSC didn't release 2025 calendar in the website. So on the lines of 2024 only I am giving you. It will be the same. Means prelims exam will be in the May, mains exam will be in the September. And the interview will be in the February to April 2025. 2024 calendar, why? Because 2025 calendar not given in UPSC website. That is the reason I am taking it as 2024 and I am giving you for 2025. Weekday plan, every day for another 1 year. For another 1 year. 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. Properly plan your day. 6 hours minimum sleep, 7 hours maximum sleep, no problem. 6 hours minimum, no need to compromise on sleep. For a person who is in the age group of 18 to 40, a person whose age group is from 18 to 40, according to the science, 6 hours of sleep is sufficient and more. So, plan your sleep for 6 hours according to science. 6 hours of classes, 6 hours of classes. Next, 4 hours of self-study is also very important. 4 hours of self-study. 2 hours of newspaper. This is how many hours? 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. means how many hours it is? 17 hours. This is 17 hours. 17 minus 12, 5 hours. Extra time for going here and there or eating food or taking rest, etc. etc. This 5 hours of leisure, extra time. But 12 hours you have to work. 12 hours you have to work. Means your working time should be 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. In that 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. you should have, I am planning a planner. For GS students in the month of June, I will give you a planner. Time by which time what you studied, which time what you studied. In the month of June we will give you. 6 hours of classes. Optional as well as GS. Wherever. 4 hours of self-study. Self-study is most important, I am telling you. I am only telling. As a part of institution, I am telling you, you should also study. Self-study is also important. Then 2 hours of newspaper. As you are a beginner, plan for 2 hours of newspaper. Within 1 hour you are completed means well and good. You read 1 more hour current affairs. In this way your timetable should be there. Then on weekends, Saturday and Sunday, what you have to do? 12 hours of study on Saturday. If it's a holiday, 12 hours of self-study. And if it's Sunday, compulsory write tests. 4 hours of tests. Optional as well as GS. 4 hours of self-study. Evening, give a break yourself. Every week take break. Go to movie or eat biryani, something you do, take break. As if you will feel that you worked for 6 days, 6.5 days and you celebrated for another half day. So 4 hours of tests. Before writing the test, you do study in the morning, then you write the test. After writing test, go. So every week this should be the plan. For this Sunday's test, Saturday should be the preparation. If you have classes on Saturday, let it be. Then classes for 4 hours, 8 hours for Sunday's test preparation. In this way, you have to plan your Saturday and Sunday. In this way, you have to plan from Monday to Friday. How to plan, sir? Monthly plan. This is exclusively for those who want to get rank in 2025, which I thought if I am preparing for civil services, then I will do the same if I got an attempt. Monthly plan, April to May, these 2 months. Today is April 20. This 10 days and another May month. What you have to do? April, do NCERTs. Whoever who are, do NCERTs. May month, do NCERTs. April and May, practice newspaper. Practice newspaper. So that from June onwards, you should not invest more time on newspaper. That is the reason. Now you have to practice more newspaper. So that it will become an habit. When it become an habit, it is time consuming or time saving? When it become an habit, time saving it is. So practice newspaper. Start answer writing also now. Do answer writing, practice. So that from the June it will become easy. Now you have to inbuild answer writing. You have to practice answer writing. April month and May month 2024. So NCERTs will be completed. You will get habit of reading newspaper. You will come into the process of answer writing. Basics has been completed. Then it is from June to December 2024. 7 months. June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 7 months. 7 months of 2024. In the 7 months of 2024, what you have to do? Months. July, August, September. June month also. June month. 4 months. This is 4 months. Here what you have to do? June, July, August, September. Which subjects you have to do? This one. October, November, December, 3 months. June, July, August, September. Polity, history, CSAT. Properly you have to do. Properly means properly. You should get command on the subject. Polity, history, CSAT. If you get confidence, yes sir, means perfect. Polity, I am telling you, there is big 4, polity, economy, history, geography. If you study these 4 subjects perfectly also, you will clear your prelims. If you study at least these 4 subjects and go to exam, perfect means perfect. You no need to read any other subject. If you are perfect in polity, economy, history, geography also, 60 questions will come, and 60 into 2, 120. What is the cutoff? 75. You are so far. Big 4 is very important. Polity, economy, history and geography. So, polity, history, start doing CSAT. If you completed polity and history, you shift to geography here. If you didn't complete it here, geography and economy. Governance, international relations, ethics and essay. Why I took long time here? Why I took long time? Because you get habituated. You come into the process. Coming into the process will take time. Once you came into the process, everything will be easy. Speed up. We can speed up it. So, geography, economics, governance, international relations, ethics and, or I recommend you ethics also here. Ethics also here. So, here burden will be reduced. Ethics and essays. Start small essays also. But compulsory what you have to do, I am telling you. Compulsory you should get command on polity. Compulsory you have to get command on history. Compulsory you have to get command on CSAT. Compulsory geography, economy, governance, international relations, ethics and essay. Then, in history what you have to study? In history, art and culture, ancient history, medieval India, modern India, world history, post-independence. Here, I am meaning history means what parts? These all parts. Geography, physical geography, Indian geography, world geography, environment and disaster management. In this way, you have to plan. I gave you an example. What should be the history, what should be the geography. Then monthly plan January and February 2025. Start a prelims preparation and few main subjects. January 1st to 2025 onwards, clearing prelims is becoming very tougher task. Clearing prelims is becoming very tougher task. So, start your prelims preparation from 2025 January 1st. But parallelly, with some mains syllabus like Indian society, social justice, internal security, revision for polity, revision for prelims, Indian polity and history. In February, science and technology, which will be helpful for prelims, which will be helpful for mains, as well as geography and economics. Up to February. But from March, April, May. March 1st to May. Exam date I don't know. Why? Because calendar is not released. So, March 1st to May. Exclusive preparation only for prelims. I am telling you, in the very first attempt, if you clear prelims, you will get abundant confidence. Abundant confidence you will get. In the very first attempt, if you clear prelims test series you do, high focus on CSAT. High focus on CSAT. That should be the plan for March, April and May 2025. In this way, if you prepare, 2025 May the day, the prelims day will be done, and if that prelims day has been done, you will get confidence. June 1st, then 2025, June and July, optional ethics and essay. I am telling for your mains also. In the month of June and July, optional ethics and essay. For prelims you cleared. Now you are planning for mains. Optional ethics and essay. Priority, answer and test series. Mains, test series. August, GS 1, 2, 3, ethics and essay. People will neglect this ethics and essay. That is the reason I want to give priority to ethics and essay. Answer writing practice. September, write full length test, mock test and full length test. In the month of September. Like this, you need to have the strategy. Like this, you need to have the strategy. Your mains will be done. So, those who are planning for 2025, this is the right strategy from now onwards. April and May, NCERT, newspaper, answer writing. June, July, August, September, history and polity and CSAT. If time permits, add economics to it. Then October, November, December, ethics, essay, geography. Then few main subjects in January and February, but start your prelims preparation from January 1st onwards. March, April, May, exclusive prelims preparation. And after prelims preparation, prelims examination, you have to enter into the mains. In mains, optional ethics and essay should be given highest priority. Again, I am repeating today, from this Super 50 batch, those who will clear prelims 2025, I will give you separate accommodation, free accommodation, and we will plan exclusively for mains 2025. I told the same for 2024 students and they are under training. For prelims 2024, the same I am telling to you 2025. That new building which is coming there, that new building for Super 50 batch students only. One floor exclusive for Super 50 batch itself. But that facility you can use it properly when you clear prelims, so that the 3 months rigorously we can do proper practice. In this way, if you plan for 2025, you will clear the exam. If you are for 2026, 2027, no problem. You try, you feel as if you are writing 2025. 1 year before only your preparation will be done. And if anyone is thinking that there will be any reforms coming in UPSC, those all are rumors. If any reforms come in UPSC, they will give 3 years of prior notice according to Supreme Court judgment.